Okay, so when you use Google Sheet to split text to column for text that involve time, there will be a problem because the value of time and the AM PM is separated into two different columns, and Google Sheet further modify this time to have its own AM PM, which is incorrect. So we have to fix certain thing before we combine these two texts back and get the timestamp that we want. So in order to format this 945 into the original 945 without the timestamp, first highlight column B and choose format, numbers, and plain text. Okay, next we want to combine these two using a formula. So click a cell at column F whereby it is next to the last column of your data. Write equal and write the formula concatenate, and just choose the data on the same row, comma, next cell, close bracket, enter. Okay, and the rest, just double click this cross here, double click it, and it will automatically give you the timestamp that you need.